Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Alright, so I decided to do another hair tutorial for you guys, but I tried to switch it up. I know I'm always doing wash and goes, so this time I decided to do a twist out. Yes, a twist out, but not only did I do a twist out, I did this little crown across here. One reason I thought it was cute, I seen it come up on my timeline or something similar to it come up on my timeline. I believe it was on Instagram or Facebook, I'm not even sure, but I decided to tweak it to my own liking. And another reason why I decided to do this here is because my skin is like going through some stuff right now. As you all can tell, I'm hella breaking out right here. I'm hella breaking out right here. I'm breaking out. Can y'all see that pimple? Like, do y'all see that? Do you see it? Don't excuse that part, but do you see this? I know y'all see it. Anyway, so I did not want hair on my face, and when I tend to wear my wash and goes, I do have it on my face. I think it was because of the style I wore before this. I actually put in that purple hair butter stuff. If you all have not checked out that video, check it out. I'm not sure if it's going to be up before this one or after this one, but you know, I'll leave a card up top if so. But I didn't want anything touching my face because I do wear makeup often, and I don't really go to work without putting on some type of makeup. So I felt like it didn't have anything to do with my makeup. I'm pretty sure it was my hair. So I'm breaking out. I'm trying to clear all of that up. So I decided to pin the hair up, or the top part of the hair up off my face. But y'all, how cute is this hairstyle? How cute is this cute little crown here that I did with white rubber bands? I think this is super duper cute. If y'all interested in this hair tutorial, stay tuned to the remainder of the video. But before we jump into the video, y'all already know what I'm about to say. Stop right now, subscribe, and put on your post notification bells. So you all are notified every time I do an upload. But I know I always say that, but you guys, don't forget to hit that like button. You all, don't forget to hit the like button. By hitting the like button, you let YouTube algorithm know, like, yeah, you want to see more of me. Yeah, you're interested in my content. But only hit the like button if you guys are really liking these videos. If not, leave a comment in the comment section down below and let me know what you guys are interested in seeing, or videos or video ideas that you all are interested in me doing. Other than that, we're going to jump right into the video. Guys, so we are going to start off with this top section here. I already have it parted in section in the way that I want this to go. I decided to do this crown. I'm calling it a crown at the top of my head. I explained in the intro that I was breaking out and I didn't want hair on my face. So I decided to use white rubber bands to, you know, give it a little bit of decoration. But as you all can tell, I am using medium-sized sections. I'm parting, and I am basically doing the rubber band method, where I am connecting one piece to the next piece to the next piece, and so on. You have seen me do a rubber band hairstyle on my channel before. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it up top, so you can click on that and check that out. But this is very, very, very repetitive. I'm just making sure that the sections are nicely detangled before I secure it with the rubber band. My hair is pretty thick, so I want to make sure that I tangle as I go along. Detangle as I go along, so that when I get to the end, I don't have a chunk of hair that needs to be detangled, and I am very tender-headed, so we don't want that. But as you can see, I'm twisting the section before I connect it to the next section. I found this to be easier, and I found it to give the section more definition, pretty much, so you can see the parts and everything. But I'm not going to keep rambling. Like I said, it's very, very, very repetitive. I already applied my LOC, so that's the white product that you can see. I'll leave all the items that I used in today's video in the description bar down below. But for now, we're going to listen to the music and finish off this video. But before we do, don't forget to hit that like button, you guys. Like I said,
I need you all to hit the like button if you all are enjoying my videos, so that YouTube knows that, my videos are likable. My videos are reaching you guys. You guys are loving it, and you all want to see more content from myself. Once again, thank you for all my subscribers and all my future new subscribers. Thank you, and let's just finish off the video.
So this is how the twist out came out. I normally like my hair pretty full, but okay, but trying to keep as much definition as possible in these twists, because me and twist outs don't get along too often. I do think that a lot of the definition that I got had a lot to do with the products that I use. I'll leave a link to all of the items that I did use to achieve this twist out. I'll leave it in the description bar down below. You all know I like to tag my items. So everything I use to achieve this hairstyle, I will leave in the description bar down below. So check that out. But I hope y'all like this video. I hope y'all like the hair tutorial. If you do, please hit that like button. Let YouTube know that you all are enjoying my content, so I can come up more on you guys' feed. But don't forget to put on your post notification bells so y'all are notified when I do an upload. And until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.